Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use your controller for Spiderman Marvel Rivals. First, make sure your controller is ready to go, either fully charged or with new batteries. Then, connect it to your gaming system. You can use a USB cable for a direct link or pair it wirelessly through Bluetooth. Always check that your system sees the controller before you start the game to avoid any issues. Now, let's cover the basic controls for Spiderman. The left analog stick is your primary tool for moving Spiderman and swinging through the city. Use the right analog stick to adjust your view and aim your web shots. For jumping and starting those amazing aerial combos, you'll typically press the button on Xbox or the X button on PlayStation. Practice these to get a feel for the movement. Next, let's dive into combat and Spiderman's unique abilities. Use face buttons for light and heavy attacks to take down foes. Your shoulder buttons are key for activating special gadgets and powerful abilities, so experiment with those. When enemies attack, quickly press the B button on Xbox or the circle button on PlayStation to dodge and avoid damage. Timing is crucial for effective combat. To truly master Spiderman, try combining your web swinging with combat for spectacular aerial takedowns. Also, look around your environment. Many objects can be used to your advantage in a fight, like throwing crates or pulling down structures. These advanced techniques will make you a formidable hero. And hey, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check out the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.